All right, got the front end all tore down. One bit of surprise here on the tie rod. Goes knuckle to knuckle behind the axle. I don't know if it's gonna pick up on the camera or not, but you can see got a nice little bend in it. So that's gonna be a little bit of a damage I was anticipating. So I gotta order a new tie rod. Probably could attempt to bend that back, but I just decided to get a new tie rod. The Ford drag link is in good shape. I got the two drive shafts out. They look okay. Splines look good, and then the Ford sway bar. I noticed that all the bushings they're all blown out and shot, and the same one for the small bushings that go in the mounting holes. So I've got new bushings, main bar bushings, and then inner mount bushings coming for the front and the rear. I got a new track bar coming, and I got those from Cruiser Outfitters, Cruiser Tech. So not too bad on all those parts there. Here's the old radius arms, got those out, the old bursts and the old steering damper. So as you can see, got that front end just completely tore apart. I've got brake lines coming, new calipers coming. So still waiting on a few of those parts, but my goal is get in there, get it cleaned up, get some fresh coat of paint on all those areas, and get it ready for reassembly.